Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a unique Madras-style tiramisu. First, brew a robust filter coffee and let it cool down completely. This strong coffee is crucial for the dessert's depth. Next, gently stir in a small pinch of ground cardamom into the cooled coffee. This subtle spice infusion will give our tiramisu a distinctive South Indian twist, setting it apart from traditional recipes. Ensure all your ingredients are ready. Now, let's create the luscious mascarpone cream. In a bowl, whisk 3 egg yolks with about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale yellow and airy. This process incorporates air, making the cream light. Gently fold in 1 pound of mascarpone cheese until it's fully incorporated and smooth. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cream too thin. The goal is a rich, stable cream. With our components ready, it's time to assemble. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the spiced coffee mixture, ensuring it's soaked but not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-infused ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Then, carefully spread half of your prepared mascarpone cream evenly over this layer. Repeat these layers once more, finishing with a final layer of cream on top. This creates a beautiful structure. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to firm up. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic finish. For more great deals and to find the Owala water bottle, check out the link in the description below. This unique Madras-style tiramisu offers a delightful blend of flavors, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.